5-minute challenge problems are designed to help students efficiently focus on fundamental concepts. They offer ample opportunities to enhance essential skills and promote accurate understanding. Even if you're not taking courses, you can study on your own by choosing a simple yet important question and following these steps to improve your programming skills. First, practice and research before recording. It typically takes 5 to 20 practice sessions on average, depending on your level of proficiency. Use only one monitor and disconnect all other screens. Close unnecessary files and apps, keeping only the question, Java Note and IDE or IntelliJ and recording apps open. Switch to presentation mode unless you need to show your work with folders. Adding the webcam is beneficial. And start recording. In your first coding session, write the program and explain as needed during coding without slowing down. And there is no need to include summaries, comments, or documentation while recording, but add all of them for the final submission. Run your code with Smite sample data until it works without errors and produces the desired output. Refer to your Java Note as needed. Do not use the copy and paste method until you complete Java 1. In the second coding session, begin by opening a new project or class, or alternatively remove the initial code. Repeat the steps performed in the first attempt to observe the improvements compared to the previous version. Stop recording. Upload the video to your YouTube brand account, ensuring your private information. Share the link privately only with your professor using their Gmail account. Upload the link to the LMS and make sure it is clickable for easy access.